Let's talk pizza. The doorbell rings and you're handed a warm Domino's box. You open it. Steam, aroma, golden crust, gooey cheese, and glistening pepperoni hit you all at once. That first bite, pure dynamite. The crust is chewy, the sauce tangy, the cheese pull legendary. Every topping adds to the flavor symphony. It's more than dinner, it's an event. But have you ever wondered how that pizza gets to your door so fast? Behind every pie is a world of planning, science, and speed. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the Domino's kitchen, ingredients, people, and process. Get ready for the untold story of your favorite pizza. Domino's began in 1960, Ypsilanti, Michigan, when Tom and James Monahan bought a small pizza shop. James soon traded his share for a VW Beetle, leaving Tom to build a pizza empire. Tom's vision? Hot, reliable pizza delivered fast with a simple menu and a 30-minute promise. The three-dot logo marked the first 3 stores. No one guessed there'd be thousands more. When the original owner wouldn't let them use the name, a delivery driver suggested Domino's. And it stuck. Franchising fueled explosive growth, putting Domino's in towns everywhere. The brand's success is built on speed, consistency, and a love for great pizza. From a single shop to a global powerhouse, Domino's is a true American dream. Sometimes the best ideas come from the front lines. Every Domino's pizza starts at a regional dough center, not the store. High-quality flour, water, yeast, and oil are mixed in massive batches for perfect consistency. The dough is portioned, rolled, and cold fermented, unlocking flavor and texture. After fermentation, dough balls are shipped in refrigerated trucks to stores always fresh and ready. This supply chain ensures every crust is top-notch every time. By the time it hits your local Domino's, it's primed for pizza greatness. That's logistics and flavor working together. The crust is just the start. Sauce and cheese are Domino's secret weapons. The sauce, made from vine-ripened tomatoes, seasoned to perfection and shipped to every store for consistency. Cheese is a blend of 100% real mozzarella and provolone, chosen for melt and flavor. Toppings range from classic pepperoni to fresh veggies, all prepped for speed and quality. Every ingredient is ready to go, so pizzas are built fast without sacrificing taste. Domino's even offers lighter crusts and a nutrition calculator for health-conscious fans. It's all about giving you the pizza you crave, your way, quality and efficiency, every step. When you order, the Domino's team springs into action. Dough is hand-stretched, sauce is spiraled, cheese and toppings are perfectly placed. No rolling pins, just skilled hands for a light, airy crust. The pizza slides into a conveyor oven, cooking in minutes for bubbly cheese and crisp crust. Out of the oven, it's sliced, boxed, and packed in insulated hot bags to stay piping hot. Every step is about speed and quality from kitchen to your doorstep. The process is a masterclass in efficiency, so your pizza arrives fresh, fast, and delicious. It's not just food, it's a well-oiled operation. Domino's delivers more than pizza. They deliver an experience. That's why they're the best in the game. Domino's is a global phenomenon, adapting to local tastes everywhere. In India, try paneer makhani. In Japan, squid and mayo. Local flavors, same Domino's quality. Technology drives the experience. Track your order in real time, even see your driver on GPS. Domino's experiments with smart speakers, social media, and even delivery robots. It's about making pizza fast, easy, and fun, wherever you are. More than food, Domino's is about connection. Movie nights, study sessions, family dinners. Next time you open that box, remember the journey and the team behind every slice. What's your go-to order? Drop a comment and share your favorite combo.